Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2015 Mazda CX-5. Stock number is A7572. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. We're going to look at the tread on the tires, and then we're going to take a look inside the cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera. And the CX-5 is all-wheel drive, so you won't be sliding all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. There are splits on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you do need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this CX-5 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.